Hello there, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I am going to show you the difference between AutoDS versus ZenDrop versus CJ Dropshipping versus DSers versus Pocket. Key features of AutoDS is that it is AI-powered product research tools, multi-platform integration like Shopify, eBay, Wix, Amazon. It automated order fulfillment and tracking updates and price and stock monitoring. It has comprehensive automation, reduces manual workload, and advanced analytics for performance tracking. It has wide supplier network beyond AliExpress, and pricing may be higher compared to some competitors. Learning curve for beginners due to feature richness, and it offers detailed insights into sales, profits, and product performance. AutoDS is best for dropshippers seeking a fully automated solution across multiple platforms. While the key feature of ZenDrop is that it is US EU based suppliers for faster shipping, branded invoicing for a professional customer experience, and express shipping option available. It has faster shipping times, enhanced customer satisfaction, and branded invoicing adds a professional touch. Limited analytics capabilities, and it has basic automation features, some manual work required, and it offers basic order tracking, lacks advanced analytics tools. ZenDrop is best for Shopify store owners focusing on US or EU suppliers. While the key feature of CJ Dropshipping is that it has custom packaging and print-on-demand services, photography services for product listing, and bulk ordering capabilities. It has wide range of products and services and fast shipping options available, and it has basic analytic features. User interface may be less intuitive. It provides basic order tracking, lacks comprehensive analytics tools. CJ Dropshipping is best for sellers needing diverse supplier option with fast shipping. While key features of DSers is that it bulk ordering capabilities and supplier optimization tools, and it has AliExpress integration. DSer is the official partner of AliExpress and has excellent user reviews and support. It has limited supplier diversity, mainly AliExpress, and basic analytics features. It offers basic analytics, focuses on order fulfillment and supplier management. DSers is best for AliExpress-focused dropshippers seeking bulk ordering. While the key features of Pocket is that it has branded invoicing for a professional customer experience and US EU-based suppliers for faster shipping and have simple ordering capabilities. It has faster shipping times, enhanced customer satisfaction, and branded invoicing adds a professional touch. It limited product selection compared to other platforms and higher pricing plan, and it provide basic analytics, focuses on product sourcing and branding. Pocket is best for sellers prioritizing US or EU product sourcing with branding. AutoDS is a comprehensive dropshipping automation tool idea for serious sellers operating on platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and Wix. Its standout features include AI-powered product research, automatic order fulfillment, real-time price and stock monitoring, and automated tracking updates. It supports a wide variety of suppliers beyond just AliExpress, making it a versatile choice for scaling businesses. With advanced analytics and profitability tracking, it helps sellers optimize performance and streamline operations. However, its robust feature set comes at a higher cost, starting at $19.90 per month, and the learning curve may be steep for beginners. While ZenDrop caters primarily to Shopify users who want fast shipping from US or EU-based suppliers, it offers a sleek interface, branded invoicing, and the option to access express shipping and high-quality product sourcing. ZenDrop is user-friendly and beginner-friendly with pricing tiers ranging from free to $79 per month. While it excels in customer experience and logistics, its analytics tools are relatively limited and deeper automation features like AutoDS offers are absent unless on higher tier plans. While CJ Dropshipping provides a wide array of services that go beyond standard product sourcing, including print-on-demand, custom packaging, product photography, and even local warehouses for faster delivery. It is well suited for businesses looking for a flexible, hands-on approach to dropshipping. CJ is free to use, although some services like branding or expedite shipping incur additional fees. It offers basic and tracking but lacks the polished interface and advanced analytics of competitors like AutoDS. While the DSer is the official AliExpress dropshipping partner, is best for sellers focused on AliExpress suppliers and bulk order fulfillment. It features supplier optimization, variant mapping, and bulk order placement to simplify high volume sales. DSER's free plan include essential tools, while its a paid plan starting at $19.99 per month unlock more advanced capabilities. Its primary drawback is that it's tightly tied to AliExpress, limiting supplier diversity. Analytics are minimal but sufficient for entry-level users. Spocket targets dropshippers who prioritize sourcing high-quality products from US and European suppliers. It's known for fast shipping, sample ordering, and branded invoicing, making it appealing for sellers focused on premium customer experience. Spocket integrates seamlessly with platforms like Shopify and WooCommerce, and its pricing ranges from free to $2,099.99 per month, depending on access to premium products and features. While it shines in branding and logistics, it doesn't offer robust analytics or product research tools like AutoDS does. When comparing AutoDS, ZenDrop, CJ Dropshipping, DSERS, and Spocket, the best overall platform depends on your business size, goals, and target market. But for most serious and scaling dropshippers, AutoDS stands out as the most powerful and flexible option. It offers full automation across multiple platforms like Shopify, eBay, and WooCommerce, advanced analytics, AI-powered product research, and seamless order fulfillment. This makes AutoDS ideal for entrepreneurs who want to save time and scale efficiently. However, if you are focused specifically on fast US or EU shipping and branded customer experience, Spocket or ZenDrop may be better suited, with Spocket offering a more premium feel and ZenDrop being more beginner friendly. CJ Dropshipping is excellent for sellers needing custom packaging, print on demand, or unique sourcing services, while DSERS is best for AliExpress-based stores looking for bulk order processing and official supplier access. Ultimately, AutoDS wins in terms of automation, multi-platform integration, and analytics, making it the best all-around choice of most modern dropshippers aiming to grow quickly with minimal manual effort. So basically, this is the difference between AutoDS versus ZenDrop versus CJ Dropshipping versus DSERS versus Spocket. If you found this video helpful, then leave a like on video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.